All right, guys, as always, we bring it back to health and nutrition with our recipe of the day. Side note, I have been getting messages, and in the future, we already had this planned anyway. I'm going to be doing these things in the kitchen so you can see me making these recipes. We're setting up our cooking studio as we speak and all that fun stuff. We just want to make sure the audio and the video is really good. But for now, I'm still going to give you the recipes I love, but soon enough, you get to make them with me, I hope. All right, I'll be cooking them in real time. Today we're making peanut butter protein balls. These are an amazing high protein snack all on their own. They're also fantastic as a Ninja Creamy mix-in. You really can't screw this up either. They're only 6 ingredients as well. It's not gonna take you all day to make. 8 grams of protein per ball for only about 85 calories. All the macros are in the mixing notes as well as the recipe too. So get out your mixing bowl. You're gonna start with 200 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt. We love the CHOBANI. 30 grams of Lily's chocolate chips. You can also use a 70% cocoa chocolate bar if you want, chop it up. Add 40 grams of PB2. We're gonna use 30 grams of a protein powder. Last time I made these, I used OPTIMUM WHEY. I think it was a French vanilla. It's really good. Add 30 grams of coconut flour and 4 TRUVIA for some extra sweetness. That's my non-nutritive sweetener of choice. Use whatever you like. Now you're gonna mix these ingredients up and you're gonna freeze it for a few hours. Then take it out of the freezer. You're gonna mix it up into the balls. Mix it into a bowl, put some sprinkles in another cup. You can dip them in, make them fun. And then when you have your balls and your balls are ready, you can freeze your balls again. In a few hours, they're good to go. They're delicious. You will love them. This is a great post-workout snack too. You get some protein in there. I might have a couple of these before my workout, after my workout, even something in between meals. It's just a lot healthier than some of the other stuff, you find in the supermarket, which also in light of today's theme is minimally processed at least.